Sonic the Hedgehog is family champion once again! Tails? Knuckles? Okay. Yeah, I overshot the finish line. Okay, so how do I get back? Pro tip, if you're gonna take a shot at the fastest creature in the universe, you better not miss. I'm flattered by the cosplay, but you got a few details wrong. I can't blame you though. It's hard to copy perfection.